Let's talk about the Bangalore team. Joy, we ask this question every year. Can this be Bangalore's year? Geez, it's looking like.
I think it's as good a chance as any. They've reached 2 finals, and I think and that last victory, I think, has been very good for them. I thought they got across the line. They were lucky to get across the line the way they did. But I think it's good for them. I just have to tell you, I fear for them a bit because they play their first eliminator game against Kolkata on a Sharjah track, which is perhaps not their choice, their surface of choice. And, the kind of people like Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, all these guys love the ball coming on. And I think that's the only thing that I'll say, that if they get past Kolkata, I think they'll be a confident side and they might do a lot of damage after that. But they need to get past that first game. And I think winning that last match in the last over has been fantastic, and the last ball has been fantastic for them in terms of just morale and just belief. Because I think they've always had pieces. I think the pieces have got together better this side than... But every time you think that they've solved their problems, they have one other little problem. Like now, Devdutt Padikkal is not just... He's looking a little out of form. Now, Bharat is giving you something. Padikkal is looking a bit out of form. And they're thinking, one day, Jan Christian has to give us something with the bat. Because they've persisted and persisted and persisted. Yeah. He's got to give them something somewhere.
Yeah. I'll tell you what I want more than anything else in that playoff. I want someone to whisper in the captain's ear, "You're Virat Kohli. You're Virat Kohli."
Yeah.
And I talk to the vacuum cleaner, just get everything out. Man, you're Virat Kohli. Go and bat like Virat Kohli. There's a single, there's a 2 there, there's a 4 there, there's an exquisite drive here, there's there. Why is Virat Kohli trying to bat like a number 6 who wants to clear the boundary and send the ball into the next emirate? Yeah. He is Virat Kohli. He is the ultimate finder of the gaps. The gaps exist so that Virat Kohli can find them.
True.
And suddenly Virat Kohli is playing like somebody else. All I want from Bangalore, I don't know if they'll play 1 more game or 2 more games or 3 more games, is for Virat Kohli to say, I'm Virat Kohli,
Yeah, I once said when I think they were playing in Bangladesh, I said that Virat Kohli is the only person who can find a way to drive through Dhaka traffic, right? If he can find a gap in Dhaka traffic, he can just find it anywhere. And that's a great observation about him. And another thing that I want to say with Bangalore is just, sometimes they get a little too cute with their batting lineup, right? With the numbers that they send people. They've got something that works. Yeah, just keep it like that, right? That happens, right, Joy? Sometimes you can just get a little too cute with the innovations.
I completely agree with you. And sometimes, don't mend it if it ain't broke. Right now it ain't broke. Their batting ain't broke. Don't mend it. There's one more thing I want to tell you. If you look at Virat, he was batting at 3 before this. He used to bat. He's coming to open. His strike rate has actually gone down opening. It should be the other way around. So normally when he strikes, he used to strike at 135, 140. And what Virat would do is he'd really motor towards the end. So towards the end, once he's played 30, 40 balls, his strike rate would rise to the 180s, 200s. That is not happening. That's not happening. And his strike rate as an opener is 120. And that's something that should worry them. Because he's not a 120 batsman. When he's getting 6 overs with the field in, that's not the Virat we know. And it's exactly that. It's somewhere it's a switch in his head because there's no doubting the talent that he has. But that switch in his head is still not on. He's playing. He's still getting 360 runs. Because that he'll get in his sleep. You wake him at 3 o'clock and give him a bat, he'll get you 300 runs. But is he the Virat?
Fair point, actually. It's a fair point. We must do an essay on making 360. Make a list of people who made 360 and see how we look at them. Do we look at 360 and say, oh, wow, what a good season? And say, oh, but he only made 360. But he's, as you said, he's Kohli. What worries me a little bit is that there's a pattern. There's people are bowling at a certain, a certain 4th, 5th stump line to him. He's scoring many more runs on one side of the ground. That beautiful cover drive, the offside shots are becoming a little less. He's born differently. He's just such a fine player. I just think he just needs to get all that out. And can you imagine if he gets back into form? And I want that for other reasons too. There is beyond Bangalore, there is in India. And if he gets back into form before the T20 World Cup, fantastic. But they've been shored up, literally, by whom? By the person you thought Yeah, did you think that at the start of the season?
Oh, no, you didn't. Nobody did. That's right. He's been doing the heavy lifting for them. He's had a 500-run season. I don't think he got 500 in total in the last 5 years. After that magical UAE season in 14, I don't think he got 500 runs. And here he comes. What is this? I mean, this is like a spiritual... It's almost like a spiritual homecoming, Joy. And what, second highest number of sixes? Who's hit more than him? Who's hit the most?
Rahul, of course.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Jeez.
Yeah, well, I mean, he just had an incredible rate. And you know what Maxwell has done is that he's held up that order when Virat Kohli, he's picked up the slack. Harsha, I just want to go back on one Virat Kohli story which I have to tell you, which is that when Virat Kohli came in 2012-13, he's just hitting his form. So our analyst comes and he runs in and he's very excited. And he said, here's the rule for bowling to Virat Kohli. This 2012. We will bowl 18 inches outside the off stump to him. So every bowler was told that once he comes into bowl, no ball will be closer than 18 inches to the off stump. Because Virat's shot was that. Okay. And so it worked for exactly 2 matches, 1 season. Next time we bowled that, he hit 3 balls over cover, it was over. So that was a Virat you knew. That if you did something to him, he'd figure it out, and in that arms race, you just immediately escalate to the next level. That's not happening right now.
The other thing I'm very happy for them is Chahal has come back into form. I mean, he's a class apart. So Chahal has come back into form. Siraj is bowling well for them. And Harshal Patel is like one of those things that have been there on the grocery shelves for a long time. You just didn't see it, or you left it there for a while, and suddenly the ball is stopping and gripping. And Harshal Patel is a different bowler. 30 wickets. The record is 32 by Bravo. 30 wickets, and he's bowling the ball that Bravo bowls, which is the slower ball that dips on you. The slow ball is dipping on people, and he is just so full of confidence. And remember, he opens the batting as captain of Haryana, so we haven't even seen him bat yet. But what a story! I mean, it's not one of those just had 3-4 great innings towards the end of a season kind of innings. He's carried them through. He's been just the sleeper hit.
Yeah, he must be saying that, well, my old boss was not letting me do it there, man. And that's why he's ahead of me here. But here I am. I'm shining.
The old boss. He's had so many old bosses. He's had an old boss in Bangalore also.
Right. No, and exactly. The old boss in Bangalore was the same boss who's there now. He's just seen him. So he's gone outside, done 5 other cities, joined the company back, and suddenly he's a different bowler.